So guys, I have bought a case for my Nothing Phone 2A. This is a clear case, and I got this today. It's a case from the Case Mobile accessories itself. So it says it's a jelly case. I guess it's a silicone case, and it's a screen protector and a waterproof bag. What? I don't know what it is saying. Anyways, let's see what this is. So let's open it. So this is the case itself. Let's remove this, and there's another paper, and here it is. It's a clear good case, and we have cutouts for the glyph light and the camera and the flashlight. This is not open. The volume button and the power button are closed. So let's see if it fits the phone properly or not. The charging area is also open. Let's see. So yeah, it fits the phone perfectly fine. The glyphs are also cut out. The camera cutout is also good. You can see there's a little bump for the camera as well, and there's a slight bump on the screen as well, so the screen isn't affected if it falls down. So yeah, it's a good case, and I got it for around 150, I guess. The pricing says 1000 rupees. So yeah, this is a case, and you can see the design of the phone properly as well. And yeah, this phone is a fingerprint magnet, so a case is really good. Also, this phone is having a screen protector, so I guess I don't need a screen protector again. So that's about this case.
So please subscribe. Okay, thank you.